Bless family.
What's going on, guys? Pow, 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 pow. The Bless fam. And you know the vibes. Niah, what's up, baby?
It's Niah's 3rd birthday, right? Say happy birthday to me. To who?
To who? Happy birthday to who? Zanaya.
How old are you? 3.
3. Can you show me 3?
3?
Can you show me 3 in your hand? No, that's 4. One finger down.
It.
One finger down, you got it.
3. Niah.
Big 3.
You got 100.
Well, we're here at Carvel ready to pick up her cake.
It's
what she asked for, so we'll get her reaction when we got it.
Wait, my boy.
I'll just take a little video clip going in there, picking it up and whatnot, and then showing her reaction. We'll be right back.
Yeah. Niah, are you happy? And it's pink. You love it?
Yes,
And we got sprinkles.
Let's go get candles. Come on. You love your cake, Niah? Okay, look. On a scale from 0 to 10, 10 is the happiest. What do you rate it?
What do you rate it? 1 to 10.
1.
No, 1.
Add a 0. 10.
10, right?
10.
It's cute. So now that we got the cake, guys, Niah's excited with her JoJo Siwa cake. Right, Niah?
Yeah.
So the boys are excited too. Mommy's excited.
Of course. We're gonna go to the store, get her happy birthday bow. Then we're gonna take the cake home and then go strawberry picking.
And that's sound like fun, right, Niah?
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, we're about to have a lot of fun today. Enjoy nature, enjoy, other things, that we don't get into, like the strawberry picking is actually something that's new to us. So we're definitely gonna get into that. Yeah, guys.
We're gonna enjoy today.
Doing it like this your birthday, baby, which is your birthday. What?
Keisha gonna have a baby.
Keisha's an
Ooh, that's crazy, man.
Rush fam, she said Keisha's gonna have another baby.
That's crazy. I don't know about all that, but
I love
What you said, Boogie? That's Aiden right there. That's the silly one.
Aiden, tighten your seatbelt.
Boogie, tighten your seatbelt up, yeah. Like, no, up, yeah. Jay, what's up, man?
Hi.
You excited?
Yeah.
You don't know we got a surprise for him, Jay.
What did you say?
Mind your business.
Bless fam,
Bless
we
fam,
back. And we're at Oley Farm because the strawberry picking place closed.
We have to stop.
You like where we at? This is Oley Oley Turnpike Dairy Petting Zoo. They also have a dining room there, a little market. We'll show that a little bit later. She don't want to wear her little headband. Huh?
These are barn cats and these cats.
And then she has a wand. And then she also had wings, but somehow that wasn't. Alright, so I'm glad you're back with you guys. Thank you, have a good day. Feed him, he's ready. Put it in your hand. Look at that brown. They're goats.
I think the mama will.
Give the baby. Come on, baby. He's being a mean goat.
Yeah.
He fought for that.
Oh, what's up, little guy?
Hey, buddy.
Baby, come on me to move.
Oh, look, look. Mama goat feeding the baby goat. Look.
Baby goat. Baby goat.
Boogie, you see the mama the goat? Feeding the baby?
You big.
Come on, Jace. Stop being a scary cat.
Stop. You.
Look at the little babies, Niah.
Can we feed them?
Yeah, they're eating grass, though.
Don't eat grass. Ew, do you want some food? Baby goat. Baby goat.
Look, he wants one.
That's a mama goat.
What? What's that? Come on, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, yup. Excuse our language. Okay, don't be mean. Or you don't get food. All of their family wants some, so they gotta share, right? Family is everything. Especially the ones that have loyalty. Loyalty is royalty. coming for his food.
Come on. I got food. Come
Pick that neck up, boy. You don't want that grass.
Come on, look.
Should be something to call him.
Come on.
Oh, look at the.
This one, Niah, look. This one, Billy Goat right here.
Eat. Can you eat?
Look at the ponies and the donkeys, babe.
Mommy, wait, can I feed them?
That's a donkey, Jay.
Is this for all of them?
Yeah, I think so. Look, he's coming, Jay. He's coming. It's a donkey. Hi, honey.
Hi.
In the mouth, Jay, look. Oh, nasty.
No! Want it? That is open.
Hey, give me. I'm crying.
Look.
You scared? No, stop being rude. Look, this is how you give it to him. Hold on. There you go.
I was like,
More? You fat.
here. Look, on. He likes me.
Oh, you got it, Niah. You gave it to him. Look, he want more, Jay.
Can you give it to her?
Is all water?
Here.
Where's tea?
Niah.
More? I'm afraid that.
You want more, Jay.
There you
Nice.
go, Niah. I ain't scared. She's like,
Oh,
you
no,
good,
she
baby?
don't.
I got you. She did what I did. She did my mouth open, just toss it in there. Go, come on. Yeah, why you scared? Now you're over here putting her hands on.
He's scared of rotten teeth, right?
No,
Yeah, you are.
not that. I'm scared of him. Stop it. Can you
It's
feed
a
him?
donkey.
That's how it is.
Stop.
That's crazy.
I get that.
Look at the pony. Hi. Yeah, you know you're handsome, huh? Hi. Oh yeah, that's an ostrich. Babe, that's an ostrich, right? Is this the ostrich, guys? Comment down below. I want to know if I know my animals.
Now you know.
Aiden, it's okay. She's not scared. Look, he wants more.
Yeah, she over there calling us. Why y'all over there with him? Hey, buddy. Yeah, funny.
You hear that John over there? He's tight. He's tight.
You want more?
Oh,
What
you
up,
mean-
man? You ain't had enough? Here. Alright, I got you. Got you, my boy. Look, he
He's
fat.
fat. This animal is, y'all really gonna have to let me know. Not these, but this one right here.
You want some food?
Comment in the comments what animal this is. I don't know. Billy Ray Cyrus. Look at the llamas, Jay. Llamas. It's the llamas. You gotta just feed them like this, Jay. Yeah, with your hand. That's how they do it. Niah, look at the deer.
He licked my hand. That's what animals do. They don't. All animals don't lick hands. Hmm? You look at one more.
That's pretty.
She is pretty. Look at the eyelashes on this one. You got this. There's a monkey. So good. Chicken just chilling in its habitat. Let's see if we can see it.
No, Ma. She's
What?
stuck.
She's not stuck.
Yeah.
Over there chilling.
No, she's
Look,
not
Niah,
stuck.
say hi, YouTube. Say hi, blessed family. Hi. Me with the belly. No, that's my whole situation.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow, that's not a real cow though, baby. Look, there's another chicken
Y'all enjoying this day with us, because I'm definitely am. These goats, animals are so fire. They're mad cool. You know, the coolest thing to see though is these little roosters though. What's up, bud? You see the guys, look. Jay, Boogie, say what's up.
What's up? Ha!
They're over here excited. A lot more people coming in, seeing the animals. So you know the animals are excited. We are giving them food. Spoiled today. They know it's time. Come on, guys. So yeah, here at the petting zoo is kind of cool. Good experience for Niah's birthday. Look at this one though. These are nice type of roosters. I've never seen these before. Nice, they're beautiful. That's a beautiful one. Give him one. See if it eats it. No, we're gonna, okay. Okay. Look, oh, you got the little hose in the back too. Look. Interesting. Never seen these chickens like this. Right, they're different. Oh, man. Look how beautiful they look. fast. That's why it's hard to feel.
Zoo office. That's where you pay. And again, it's only $3 per person and $2 a bag. Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And also, this is called the Oley Turnpike Dairy Zoo in Oley, PA. They got some chairs you can sit outside and eat, but they sell ice cream here. They have a diner here, and they also sell like dairy products, probably eggs and stuff like that you will find on the farm. Pretty dope place, chill, affordable, still fun. You can make your memories with your family. It's what matters most. Feed your kids good memories.